Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings and choose Notifications section over here. Following that, you need to choose App Settings and over here, select All Apps. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to get rid of notifications like Ampera. And as you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher next to an app. But you can also just tap on it and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!